FUP-1-Blue filter. To protect the AdBlue or DEF injection system and catalyst of your vehicle. RCA systems, which inject AdBlue into your vehicle, are very sensitive to possible impurities in the urea dissolution, so it is essential to meet the high demands for handling, transporting, and storing AdBlue, set out in the ISO standard 22241. Any little impurity can cause drastic damage to your RCA system, leading to costly repairs. That is why manufacturers make significant logistical efforts to deliver AdBlue free of impurities. Even if your AdBlue meets the quality requirements, you should avoid introducing impurities at the time of delivery. It is relatively easy that a chip from the pipe itself, a piece of liquid or sealing tape, or any small particle could get in and damage your RCA system. GESPASA has created a small metal microfilter to install in your pump or supply equipment. The filter is made of a 25-micron mesh, assembled between two outer stainless steel mesh. Resin-based and encapsulated design for maximum tightness and ensure that no particles greater than 25 microns can be supplied. In installations with high AdBlue consumption, it is advisable to install a higher capacity filter such as the 25-micron FUP-1Blue with a larger filtering surface. Protect your vehicle and install a filter for AdBlue.
GESPASA, fluid technology.